4 inches profile foundation style base with wall hugger technology. State-of-the-art wall hugger technology lifts you up while simultaneously gliding you back, keeping your nightstand within reach. Head and foot articulation. Effortlessly raise the head or foot to find the perfect position for watching TV, reading, surfing the web, or just relaxing. 850 pounds. Lift capacity. This high-performance base easily lifts up to 850 pounds. Total maximum weight, including the mattress. Backlit wireless remote with safety lock feature. The technologically advanced wireless remote stands on its own. Place it on your nightstand for easy access. Full body dual massage with wave. Relax and rejuvenate after a long day with the dual wave massage, which moves from head to toe to soothe your entire body. Or choose standard massage for all over relief. Zero gravity button plus 2 custom programmable positions. Raise the feet to the same level as the heart for a healthy rest in the zero gravity position. For ultimate comfort and convenience, program 2 of your favorite positions and recall them with the touch of a button. Flat button programmed out of the box with a press and hold. Flat button for safety. The button can be changed to one touch for convenience. Snore button. The anti-snore feature elevates the head of the base 7 degrees to open up airways and reduce snoring. Adjustable legs. Heavy-duty 2.5 inches diameter legs quickly and easily adjust from 6 inches to 10 inches in height for a perfect fit. Power down for added safety. In the event that electricity is lost, the emergency power down feature will slowly lower the base using a battery backup. Micro hook. Our exclusive micro hook retention system eliminates the need for a mattress retainer bar at the foot of your bed, providing a sleeker, more modern look. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. New 2018 Escape 2.0 adjustable bed system. Come with 2 wireless remote controls, wall hugger, dual massage with wave. Under bed lighting. Made in the USA. Base color: gray, mattress: white. Feels like the Tempur-Pedic. The Ergo Sleep System adjustable bed. Retails $7,500 and up. Number 2. Include 2 12 inches Cool Breeze gel memory foam mattresses made by DynastyMattress, made with high-quality 1-inch gel memory foam and 4 inches visco-elastic memory foam, 2 inches plus 2 inches airflow, 3 inches high-resilience polyurethane base foam, enhanced airflow system. Feel: medium firm. 30 years limited warranty. Split king adjustable base. Dimensions: width 38 inches, length 80 inches each. Width 76 inches, length 80 inches both. Number 3. Head and foot articulation. Effortlessly raise the head or foot to find the perfect position. 4 inches profile foundation style base with wall hugger technology. State-of-the-art wall hugger technology. Number 4. Ultra quiet high performance motors. 850 pounds. Lift capacity. Full body dual massage with wave. Backlit wireless stand-up remote. Zero gravity, anti-snore, flat, 2 custom programmable buttons. Adjustable legs. 6 inches to 10 inches. Made in the USA. 25-year limited manufacturer warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.